many restaurants cut mangoes into dices. This appetizing and easy-to-eat way was totally unknown in Asia until it recently spread. The main thing is to cut 2 slices the thickest possible. For this, follow the shape of the core, which is almost flat. Cut the 2 largest sides by approaching closer to the core. Hold the slice of mango in your hand and with the other hand, cut parallel lines in the greatest length. Start with the center line. Then add 2 on each side. The knife must cut the entire flesh, but never cut the skin. My hand underneath allows me to feel where the knife is and helps me to measure my strength so as not to cut the skin. Give the slice a quarter turn and continue to cut the lines in order to draw squares. Start at the middle. Slightly cut along the skin, being careful not to detach the dices. Do this on the way around the slice. Finally, gently open the slice. The daisy of mango will rise and invite you to eat them. Don't waste anything. Cut the flesh which is on the edges of the core. Some connoisseurs will also enjoy nibbling around the core. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.